Hello, fellow traders. So, update on VIX. What's going on? I mean, VIX barely touched, moved or, you know, touched the low of yesterday's bar. I mean, um, Friday's bar. So, what's happening? Well, we'll know today because everybody knows it's election. And another thing is, though, on UVIX, this thing just crashed for like 8%. It's very frustrating because VIX didn't move. So, what will this thing do? Honestly, today it's a crazy day, so I can expect everything. Based on time and price, we touched the reversal of 23 40 and failed to close it, so we went down. But we didn't reverse the trend since we didn't touch the 2080, which is the bear reversal in today's day. So I'm thinking on the weekly level we didn't touch 2380. We broke some channels, like the channels that Socrates identifies. On monthly we broke the channel. It's oversold, so it's just craziness. Either we gonna spike this up and we'll hit 40 because the next reversal after 2320 it's 28 and then 40, or you know it's gonna go down. It's keep going down today and tomorrow it's gonna move up. Either ways, whatever it's gonna do today, tomorrow is gonna be different. We do have a cycle inversion for the week. That means 3 weeks from now it's the next target point, but I will do a webinar of all these things and show you in the real time um, data of what's happening. Again, it's a very volatile market. Unfortunately, I cannot predict for sure what will this thing do. My gut is telling me it spikes up, but my fear says, hey, yesterday was very bad for entering in this market in with UVIX, not in VIX. So hopefully anything of this makes sense. I put the link in in my bio so you can see where you can sign up. All right, good luck.